Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss one of the most important topics in accounting, assets. This video will help students and learners understand the concept clearly with practical examples. So let's start. Now, what is an asset? An asset is anything owned by a business that has economic value and can provide future benefits. In simple words, asset means what the business owns and uses to earn money. For example, cash, machinery, buildings, stock, vehicle, receivable, etc. Assets are mainly divided into two major categories. One is current asset and second is non-current asset, that is fixed asset and long-term assets. Now, current asset. Current asset means short-term assets. Current assets can be converted into cash within 12 months or used up within 1 year. Example of current assets: cash and cash equivalents, cash in hand, bank balance, mobile banking balance, short-term deposit. Account receivable, that is money customers own to the business. Inventory or stock, raw materials, finished goods, merchandise items. Prepaid expense, that's our prepaid rent, prepaid insurance. Short-term investment, that is money invest for less than 1 year, treasury bill, marketable securities. Bills receivable, written promises from customers to pay later. Other current asset, that is advance to staff, advance to supplier, VAT receivable. So these are the current asset. Now non-current asset, that is long-term asset. These assets used for more than 1 year in the business. Non-current assets are tangible asset, that is physical asset. These assets have a physical form. Land, building, furniture, machinery, vehicles, computers, equipment, plants are tangible assets. Intangible asset, that is non-physical assets. These assets have no physical form but have value. Goodwill, trademark, patent, copyright, brand value, software license are intangible assets. Long-term investments, investments that the business plans to hold for more than 1 year. Share, bonds, long-term deposits, investment in other companies are long-term investment. Deferred asset, expense paid now, but benefit will be received in future year. These are deferred revenue expenditure, preliminary expenses. Contingent asset. A contingent asset is a possible asset that may come to the business in the future, but it is non-confirmed yet. It depends on some future events that is not under the business full control. Contingent asset is not recorded in the financial statements. It is only disclosed in notes when the inflow probable. It becomes an actual asset only when the event is confirmed. Example: court case compensation, insurance claim, expected refund are contingent asset. Now, summary table of all assets that we discussed. Current asset, convertible into cash within 1 year. Cash, bank, inventory, debtors, prepaid expense are current asset. Tangible asset, that means non-current asset. It is physical and long-term assets. Machinery, building, vehicle, furniture are tangible assets example. Intangible asset, that is non-current asset. Non-physical assets with value, goodwill, patent, trademark, software are example of intangible asset. Long-term investments held for more than 1 year, share, bonds, deposit are example of long-term investment. Deferred assets, future benefit asset, example is preliminary expense. Contingent asset, it may comes to the business in the future, but it is not confirmed yet. Court case compensation, insurance claims are example of contingent asset. So this is all about assets in accounting. I hope this video helped you understand the topic clearly. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found it useful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more accounting tutorials. See you in the next video.